everyone, this is Siona. So today's video is for the candidates who are preparing for an interview. So according to me, I feel these are the most frequently asked questions in any interview. But yes, before we get into a video, please do not forget to give a thumbs up to my channel and drop in some suggestions if you have any. So yeah, we'll start with today's video. So according to me, what I feel is the very favorite questions which is asked every time, that is, tell me about yourself. Now, when this question pops up, that is, tell me about yourself, what I have observed is students generally give all the information about themselves which is not really required. For example, my family does this, then my uncle does this, then this happened, this is my best friend. I have literally observed students saying all these stuff. So my dear friends, this is not at all expected when this question pops up, that is, tell me about yourself. So yeah, when you answer this question, tell me about yourself, a particular sequence has to be followed when you give the certain information. The very first thing being is your name, the obvious one. Again, when you tell your name, it should be your name, middle name and your surname. The second thing that you need to mention is place or location. For example, now if I say, if I have to mention my place, I'll say my name is Siona Robin and my native place is so and so, but currently I stay in this city. That's all. That's if you live at a particular place, if you're born and brought up there, well and good. But if your native place is somewhere else and you're working or staying somewhere else, you need to mention that. That's the second thing, that is the place. The third thing is education. Now, when you provide information regarding your education, for example, if I am a postgraduate, please do not mention all the things right from your 10th standard. That is, I have completed my 10th from this institute, then 12th, then I moved on to this city, completed my graduation. Not at all needed and not at all expected as well. You have to mention about only the last 2 degrees that you have completed. Now when I say that I have completed my post-graduation, so the expected answer is that I have completed my graduation from so and so institute, this university. Then the last thing will be your masters. If I say I have completed my post-graduation, so I have to mention where I have completed my post-graduation from. So that's the only thing that is expected regarding your education. And if you can mention your marks if they are well enough. So yeah, that's about your education. And then the fourth thing is your work experience. This is not a mandatory one. If you have work experience, you can mention, or you can skip this point. If required, according to me, only thing that has to be mentioned here about your family is, for example, in my family, I have my mother, father and sister, and my father does so and so. So these are the only things expected. If you feel it needs to be mentioned, you can, or else it's okay if you don't mention this thing. So that is how you answer, tell me about yourself. The second question that is frequently asked is, what are your strengths? Now, when this question is asked, what are your strengths? So, students generally sit there and praise themselves. I am very hardworking and like to do this and I will give my 100% and this and that. Never do that. Never. That's the worst thing one can do, that you can sit there and just praise yourself. So, whenever you are mentioning your strengths, so please keep these 3 things in mind, that how you need to put in points what are your strengths. So the first thing you can do is, for example, if yes, one thing also I have observed is, when you are asked about your strengths, students generally do this. Now for example, if you are applying for an HR, that is a human resource manager. So there you have nothing to do with traveling and biking and swimming. So there it is not relevant. So please do not mention all these points. Whenever you are going for an interview, go through the criteria, what all the job requires. Go through that and then put forth your strength in that format. Now for example, as I said, if I am applying for an HR, so my strengths I will mention is, I have leadership qualities, I have good management skills, I have good communication skills. So this is what is expected. Please do not give any such answers which have nothing to do with the job. Be relevant, be on point, do not beat around the bush. That is how you answer these questions. That is, what are your strengths? Then the third question I feel that is important is, what are your weaknesses? Now, when this question is asked, never mention such weaknesses that people can take disadvantage of, or you can be rejected because of that. Your weaknesses should be such that they can also be taken as a positive point. Now, for example, if I say that my weakness is, I don't know if it is the right word to mention right now, but for example, if I say as my weakness that I am a very stubborn person. So what do I mean by stubborn person here? That means if I want this work to be done, no matter what, I have to do it today and I will do it today. So that should be in terms of your work, right? So that is how you should mention your weakness, that it should also be taken as a plus point of yours. Then the next question asked is, how much salary do you expect? So this question is not asked to everyone, but okay, if they feel that you're eligible for this one, this question is generally asked, that what are your salary expectations? Now when this question is asked, it is a very important thing. If you're a fresher, we'll first finish this one, that if you're a fresher, never do this thing that that you are just confused कि okay जितना देना है दे दो, कुछ भी दे दो, what do you, मतलब never do that. And the other thing you can do, that's the worst thing, is tell them the exact figure that I expect 30,000 for so and so job. Never do that. Never mention an exact figure of what you expect, plus never say okay give what you want. I mean, this is not the right framing, but I hope people generally say this but in a better format. But these are the worst things that one can say, so never do that. What you can do instead is be smart there and ask them the question, sir, what do you think my worth is for this post? So there, instead of seeing your reaction and trying to judge you, they can start processing their minds and they can think upon it, right? So that thing you can do here, you can play smartly there, that you can cross question them, sir, what do you think is my worth for this job? Then another important question according to me I feel is, okay, if you are experienced, if you have a job experience, they generally ask you, why do you want to leave your current institute, or why do you want to leave the current place that you are working? Again, one thing important to mention here is, people generally when they go for an interview, so there they sit and complain that वहाँ पे ना salary नहीं मिलता था and I had timing problem, I had this, I had that, so I don't want to work there. Never do that. Never sit there and complain about the previous company or the current company that you're working in. Instead of saying negative about the previous or the current company you're working in, talk positive about the company where you are applying. That's a smart way or an indirect way, to give them a signal that I need to work with you or I want to work with you. So here again you can be smart and say, sir, right now where I am working, there I am in a very comfortable zone. So I look forward for a challenging job where I can progress as a person and I will get an exposure to new things professionally and personally as well. Okay, so these are the important questions which I feel where people generally go wrong during an interview. So these are the answers that are generally expected. So I hope this video for you was useful for you, and if you have any suggestions or if I have missed out on any of the question, please do let me know in the comment section. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.